What's up, guys? Back to another video. This is part 2 of building the endless view. Here's like the beginnings of what I did so far. I've been adding the effects. I'm sorry that I didn't get to like show when I was doing it and how I was doing it. So, I added some more sounds. Look at this. So today in this episode, I am going to be doing the more sound effects, like these walking sound effects. I also added the ambience. I think I did that last video. I have no idea. I don't know. Alright, so here, use the ambience. Where did I leave off? after speeding that up, this is the ending. Next video is just as long as floor climbing. So yeah, this is the ending sequence. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. That was the leak of the next demos view name. So yeah, that's the end. Bye. Hope you guys have a nice day.